Hi, here is the demonstration for EE104 Lab 6, the part one, which is the the risk factor identification. First of all, the thing I did is to download the data form right here, right now. And the only thing I did is to fill in the blank cell with zeros. Well, because my mode is to figure out the risk coefficient based on multiplication. So 0 means nothing in the calculation. Well, let's go back to the code right here. First thing I did is to import all the package I need. And here's the way to know the data. And here is the set list for the factors about the risk. And here's a way to find the coefficient of each factors. Well, let's see the output first. I mean the coefficient first. Well, based on the data form, all those are the factors to value the risk, and according to the coefficient result, well, they are almost negative correlated to the risk. Well, even the value is not very close to 1 or -1, but I was still going to use the value to define the risk. Well, let's go ahead. Here is I defined a method to do the least multiply. And here is the figure out the reference value to describe the risk, which is let's see the output. The output should be some okay. Let's print the value for the sum 1. Well, let's use this number first. Well, in the first 10 numbers, I for the first time rows, it means the first 10 data size. I finally figure out the coefficient for each condition. Well, for example, for the first situation for those value, I figure out the final result is -4,000 something. And considering all the values are negative value, so in my scope, in my risk I define the value lower than the 4/3 of the 4/3 of the mean value. Mean value means all the output of the average value for the overall reference value for the risk, right? I define the value is lower than the 4/3 of the mean is low risk, and the high risk means the value is higher than 2/3 of the mean value, and the sum of between are defined as the median risk. Here's going to create a list for the result of the risk, and here's the for loop to compare each of the list with the referred risk value. And here's to try to append the results into the risk list. Well, here is the way to save the new list for the risk to the data form. That's wrong. Everything. I'll I don't know what's the problem right here, but I can see the what I was going to want is right here for the last column that is called risk prediction, high, median, high end. I've already opened the results I generated before. Here is the data form with the master column right here. That's it for my work. Thank you for listening.